very heavily embroidered. The back has a lot of thread embroidery, and it has a jal happening on the top. You can see it's very heavily embroidered at the bottom, at the daman. And these are the sleeves. The sleeves are on a net fabric as well. It's got these chevrons, beautifully embroidered. This is the pallu of the dupatta, I believe. This has to be applique. It's for the pallu for both sides of the dupatta. This is also, wow, this is beautiful embroidery for the pallu of the dupatta. It's very heavily embroidered, lovely flowers in intricate stitches and a lot of dori work over here. And we also have a border for the pants. If you want to add a border for the pants, this is also heavily embroidered. And we have obviously the dupatta and the pants fabric.